Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you are the one we sit around, chatting, singing, drinking tea, on the cold but cozy ground. Beneath your lovely decoration, we unwrap all our Christmas gifts, which workers from a foreign nation produced in night and extra shifts. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you are shimmering with lights and shining brightly with your glee. Since you don't care about their rights, what do those people mean to you? As you stand tall above the joys, why would you care what they go through when all you see is unwrapped toys? Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, your beauty offers us a chance, and through the glitter lets us see what comes out of affluence. Christmas is for our all sake, not about how much we give, but how much we do not take, so that everyone can live. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, this year my wish is somewhat great. I wish for people to be free and for fairness in each state.